Hey there, welcome to Documint. In this video, I'm excited to show you how to set up your Personal Access Token, or PAT key. First things first, log into your Airtable account and look for the account icon. Give that a click and head over to Builder Hub. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create your Personal Access Token. Take a moment to give it a name that will help you remember what it's used for. I'll label mine Documint Key for easy reference. Now onto an important step, adding the scopes. Click on Add a Scope and make sure to include at least these three: data, records, read, data, records, write, and schema, bases, read. Next, let's add a base. You can choose to add specific bases individually, or if you prefer, go for all current and future bases in all current and future workspaces. Once you've made your selection, just hit Create Token. Now, it's time to copy that token and hop back over to your Documint page to access your integration under Account Settings. Go for the Airtable option and click on New Connection in the Personal Access Token section. Simply paste the Personal Access Token you copied earlier, give it a name, and hit Save. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to our support chat. We're here for you.